This is an updated plan from the one I built. I have already uploaded this plan to my website, diyusa.org. At the front here, I create a triangle and I fuse this triangle here just to increase the waterline length of the kayak. This coral plust is 5 feet by 10 feet long. Actually, all I need just 4 feet for the boat. I have extra 6 inches. The goal is trying to fold this one so as to make the gunnel stronger. I also use this extra 6 inches to create pockets for the cross beam at the front, at the bow, and also at the stern. In the middle, I will embed the flattened PVC pipe to create a structure to strengthen the boat. To fuse the coral plust, this time I will use the new techniques. That is using an iron, and it will give me much better control, and hopefully will also create a better fused joints. And the look will be better too. I trim off the side to make the width to be 4 feet. I still have the 10 feet long coral plust. All these lines will be pushed downward from this side, the black one. Except the yellow one, we are going to do it from the other side. To start folding the boat first time, after you created the fold line, you push down. Same with the other side. The next step is try to fold this yellow line. To do it is push down, bend it this way. Now you notice the end is tipped up. So very often I put a small box, holding it in place. And you push onto the fold line and make the fold. If you notice there's another line, you have to create a fold. Then you push down this way, make the fold. After you get all this done, let's look at the folding the first one side of the bow. And I take this block away. This is what you come up with. Then repeat it. Push the fold, create a fold here, the first time folding it, and also folding it this way. And I put something here, tipping it, and I push it against the floor and create this line. Then I create this line by folding it this way. You have to create this line also, and it will be just bend it and create a fold. Same with the other side, you create a fold. After you fold them the first time, of course you have to do the same here too. After you create a fold the first time, then it is not too difficult to lift it up, bend it. As you can see, I fold the bow together. And similarly, you do the same thing with the stern. It turned out folding this boat the first time is not too difficult compared to my Gen 9 Plus. It is so much simpler. This is the look of the final boat, folded together the first time. And you may notice that at the tip here, there are excessive chloroplasts being protruding out from the bow and also the stern too. What you do is you just trim it off, and you have to make your judgment call how much to cut. And it shouldn't be difficult to come up with what you need to cut. To fold it together for transportation, I depend on this two triangle here, and you flip up and flip the whole bow together inward, and allow this two triangle to pointing upward. Similarly, with the other side, you flip it up, flip it up, you do the same, and you jam it against each other. The first few times is getting very difficult to get it into the right position. After a few times it will be very easy. Thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.